Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to clear your old iPhone before selling it. So the first step is open up settings, and then at the very top, if you see your name, you want to just tap on it right here. If you don't, just skip to the next step. Then you want to tap on Find My. Then you see Find My iPhone, tap on it and then turn it off. You may be asked to enter in your Apple ID password. This is your iCloud account. Just enter in that password and then you'll be good to go. If you do not know the password to your iCloud account, you will need to contact Apple support. So just open up the Apple support app. It's available inside the App Store. Start a support request and you need to have proof of purchase from your old device, so an invoice from your carrier or Apple directly, which proves that you own this device, and then tell them, okay, I've forgotten my iCloud password. Here is proof of purchase. Can you remove it? And they will help you out. If you are unable to remove Find My iPhone, you cannot sell your old device, because when you factory reset this device, it's going to have the Find My iPhone lock. This lock means you need to enter in your iCloud password in order for the phone to be usable again. Therefore, if you are unable to turn this off, it's best that you just keep the phone, because you will not be able to sell it to another user. Once you've turned off Find My iPhone, I want you to navigate to the homepage of settings, scroll down until you see General, then tap on General, and scroll down to the very bottom until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on this one, and then you see Erase Your Content and Settings. Tap on this, give it a little bit to load, and you see right here, Erase this iPhone. So what it's going to do is it's going to sign you out of your Apple ID and remove all of your data, right? So all you need to do is just tap on the continue button. You may be receiving a warning. Just tap on continue anyway, and then your iPhone will factory reset. So when this factory reset happens, all of your photos will be removed, all your apps will be removed, all of your data, your phone will be brought back to the factory default. So when you first set up your device, you saw the hello screen and you could set up all this good stuff. That is what this factory reset will do. This means that any new user will not be able to access your photos. They will not be able to access any data which was previously stored on your device. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.